This video, for today's video, we have speaking in English only, Wonder Daddy.
Huh?
We've done to it. The rice and the this one, the vegetable
Gulay.
are don't speak Tagalog.
Paul.
Oh, it's a Paul.
Okay.
Today, in this mansion, di ba? Ay,
Paul. Hi.
yesterday,
Sunday.
we were what the call of this?
Ay, kulog-kulog.
We were sosyalon.
Sosyalon.
Yes.
Our dress are sosyalon.
Yes.
Today, for today's video, we only speak in English. What you are doing, Wonder Woman vlog?
Is doing
What you are doing to now? What's that? What's that?
coffee.
Coffee and
Red.
Bread.
That's called gardenia.
huh?
Gardenia.
That is a bread gardenia.
Yes.
Yes.
With peanut
You
butter.
wonder, ay Ate Annalyn, what your
It's coffee.
Ha?
Coffee.
Coffee?
It's coffee with
I'm not
kamote.
see the coffee.
With kamote.
What?
Kamote.
The kamote?
Kamote.
You're already full?
Full.
Full. Full like full.
Full.
Your stomach is full?
Yes.
Yes. In Tagalog. busog.
Yes.
Yes.
Not. You speak I said you speak English.
Sorry.
Oh. You Wonder Kasambahay vlog. What you're eating?
Kamote with rice.
Kamote with rice.
Kamuti with rice
With
and
gulay.
your dish. Oh, don't speak Tagalog, Yumi.
Don't
Speak
speak
English. Speak English.
English.
We cannot understand Tagalog today.
We can understand you.
What you're talking about? Yumi. What you're talking? Oh, behave, boys, behave. Don't shout out loud. Oh, you're Ruping. What you're doing?
Mamam.
Oh, what you're doing? Mamam? Si mamam. Mamam.
Drink water.
Yes, mga ka-wonder. This morning, in our mansion, this is the this is the day. And this is the
Sunday.
this is Sunday. And no! This is what we are doing today. We are eating bangos. We are eating what's called this? No, this is not kamuti. What is the English of this? Root
Root crops.
crabs. This one, root crabs. And you Kubijin, what you're doing in the top of table?
Yes, sit down.
I talk to you. Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, if you speak Tagalog, your mother are already fired. Kubijin, talk to me. If you can talk, your mommy, I will fire your mommy. Okay? You understand? Oh, Wonder Woman vlog. What do you want to say in our kawanders? What do you want to say in our kawanders?
Big things.
Oh, in our kawanders. What do you want to say? Oh. What do you want to say? Say hi, say thanks.
Ay.
That's all. Oh, speak English. Don't speak Tagalog today. And tomorrow we are also wear our sosyalon dress.
Social dress.
Yes, tomorrow. You have many more blessing. What do you see on our kawanders who support you? Like the Marites of It's TV.
And thank you guys.
Oh, English only. English only. Yo, Ate Annalyn.
This Sunday.
Don't speak Tagalog. Your salary decrease.
English.
Speak only English.
Magsimba.
I go to church.
English.
Go to the church.
Ay,
Go to the church.
Buto?
Oh.
Go to.
Ay, buto ba church?
You mean go to the go to like Lugaw? No.
No,
Oh,
church.
what do you say?
Church. Church.
And give thanks.
I give thanks to God.
Oh. You Ate Annalyn, what do you say to the Marites of HTV? And the Kawanders? What? I cannot understand what you are saying.
Sit down.
Wala na naman. Nag-speaking na naman ito.
Don't,
Hindi namin alam gabi.
Don't.
Mag-English kami.
what the cool of this, don't,
Don't
Tagalog.
cry.
and don't shy, hindi,
Don't shy.
no, don't shy, don't action.
Don't action.
Oh, don't action, say it.
Speak only, speak.
Oh, say it to the world. You don't eat your food, say, eat na, eat.
I'm thank you family, Wonder Family.
And the HTV, the Marites of HTV. Who is sponsoring your rice, your more blessings, your things in your house, like that.
Yes.
Oh, what do you say? What do you want to say?
Hindi ko manot eh. Hindi ko mag-English
Big.
eh.
Very
What?
hard, very
What?
hard.
Very hard?
Yes.
Tagalog na lang titi.
No, we are only speak English. In this mansion, we are socialon. And also, we speak English only. Starting today, if you don't speak English, you are all fired. Okay? You can understand and say bye-bye to our Kawanders.
Yes. And thank you, Madam Brent, sa blessings na...
Ayan,
The English
All the blessings your
giving
givings and
to us.
We go to the church Sunday at April.
You pray.
Thank you.
You pray for your all blessings. Okay, that's all. That's good. Very good. That's the important today. Your blessing and you go to church and thanks to God to all your blessings to have.
Yes.
Ah! Mga wonder, I don't know if my spoken in English is you can understand. But that's all. Tomorrow is tomorrow.
Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow, you'll see our new
Monday.
socialon